Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Cleo's blog for financial advice. If you're looking for down-to-earth financial advice that's actually fun to read, Cleo's blog has you covered. From budgeting hacks to credit tips, it's full of useful, non-boring content. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. First step, visit Cleo's official website. You want to head to meetcleo.com and then look for the blog section that's usually found in the main menu or footer. Step 2, browse by topic. Now you're going to find categories like budgeting, credit scores, debt, savings, and personal finance stories. Pick what speaks to your current situation and review that. Step 3, read articles that match your goals. Now, whether you want to save for a vacation or crush your debt, there's likely a post that walks you through it with humor and clarity, just to make it fun and interesting. Step 4, bookmark helpful post. Now, if something resonates, you want to make sure you save it or share it with a friend so you can come back to it later. Step 5, check for updates weekly. Cleo's team regularly drops fresh content, especially when new features roll out or financial trends hit. With Cleo blogs, you'll laugh, learn, and leave with a better plan for your money. It's finance, but with vibes. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.